Why is eBay dropshipping my favorite way of making money online? Let's get into it. What's up, guys? My name is Eliza, and I focus on bringing you actionable content to help you start making money online today. And today we're talking about eBay dropshipping. I'm excited for this one because it is really my favorite way, and I honestly think beginner friendly and the easiest way to make money online. So of course we have to start off by explaining what is dropshipping. Dropshipping is basically meaning that when you have a product that you are selling online, you are not fulfilling it yourself. The product is getting fulfilled by a third party, right? Well, whoever it is that's going to ship that product out for you. That is basically, in simple terms, what is dropshipping. So today we're talking about eBay dropshipping. And in this instance, what's happening is you're listing an item on eBay, and then that item is getting bought by a customer. And that customer, once they place that order, it is going to get shipped out by whatever supplier you decide to use. So you are doing basically no work. Your job is simply just to list these items on eBay. So I want to share with you guys 3 reasons why deep down I love me some eBay dropshipping. The first reason is because you do not have to create a brand. You don't have to spend the time and the money that it takes to create a brand. Whatever it is that you're trying to sell online, you have to create a brand in order for you to scale it and really make some money with that product, right? So that's number one. Reason number one, I don't have to take the time out to create a brand. I've tried it before, and ooh, baby, it's not easy. Number 2 is, on the same boat, you do not have to create a website. There's so many easy platforms out there, right? Like Shopify is super easy, Wix is super easy. There's a lot of drag and drops out there, but still, let's be honest, it's not easy. It's not easy. And if you want to create a good looking, high converting website, right? Ching, ching, ching. It's really not the easiest thing in the world. So number 1 is you do not have to spend the time out creating a brand. And number 2 is you don't have to create a website. Number 3, right? Number three. And this is the icing on the cake for me, guys. When somebody is on websites like eBay, they are looking for a particular product. So that means that as long as you have the right product, guess what? They're going to buy it off of you. So you do not have to take the time out to market like crazy because the person is coming to you. Yes, can I get some? Right, guys? So for me, honestly, eBay dropshipping is the must, especially if you're just getting started with e-commerce and making money online. Of course, I'm not going to sit up here and tell you that it's like 1, 2, 3, you sign up, you list a product, boom, it's sold. No. Just like every other business model out there, there are some cons. And that's what I'm going to talk about now very quickly, the cons, guys. So although, yes, it's very easy to get started, it's very easy for you to list an item. Now, the con is, of course, getting that item to be sold. So I would say the biggest con when it comes to eBay dropshipping, guys, is the product research part. The product research, knowing what to sell, what to list, how to list it, right? Because once you start getting into eBay dropshipping, you're going to know, okay, this is the products that's selling right now, because you're going to see a bunch of other people selling the same product. So what that means is that there's a high demand for that product, and who's to say that your product is going to be the one that's going to be found? So yes, as easy as it is, like every business model, the con to it for me, I would say, is really finding that product that is going to sell, or finding products in general, right? Because you're not just listing one item, you constantly have to continue to list. So you're always going to have to list different items to really be able to make sales daily on eBay dropshipping. And I'm going to give you guys some tips now on how to find products. That's 1. And 2, where are you going to source these products from? So how do you know what to list? So the first thing is knowing where you're going to get your products from, right? You can either do retail dropshipping, which is what I'm going to talk about today, or wholesale dropshipping. Wholesale dropshipping is finding those manufacturers who do wholesale but that are going to drop ship the product for you. Then there's retail drop shipping, which is what I do and what I'm going to share with you guys today. Retail drop shipping is basically using suppliers such as Walmart, Kmart, Lowe's, Bath and Body, and Wayfair, just to give you some examples, right? So you will go into these websites and figure out, okay, which product can I grab from here to go ahead and then list on eBay so that I can make a profit, right? So that's one. You're going to find your products from retailers such as the ones that I just listed right now. And then in order for you to figure out, okay, which one is going to sell, I'm going to give you guys some tips. So the first one off the back, go ahead and spy on some other drop shippers. Right. I mean, everybody does it, honestly, and it's probably an unwritten rule that people know. That's what's happening. Of course, you don't want to live off that method because then you're waiting on that person to copy what it is that they're listing, right? So that's the first thing. Find other drop shippers, and you're going to know which other people on eBay are drop shipping, right? You're going to know because you're going to see those products that everybody else is listing. So that's one. Find out who is doing really good. And how do you know they're doing really good? They have a lot of reviews. They're going to have a store with multiple items, and then you're going to see what's being sold on their store. Once you figure out what's being sold on their store, then you're going to go ahead, take that product, and then list it on your eBay store so that you can start making some money. That's the first tip. The second tip is using the software by the name of Zeek Analytics. I'm going to go ahead and put that name up there. The thing about Zeek Analytics is a paid software, but it's really great and it helps you to figure out, okay, what products is it that I should be listing? And it only costs $15 a month, guys. So those are two tips for anybody who's interested in getting started with eBay dropshipping that are definitely the tips for you. Also, another thing is figure out what season we are in, right? Depending on the time of the year, that is going to help you better determine what products to list. So for example, if it's summertime, you're going to know any outside pool stuff, barbecue stuff, chairs, patio setups, those are going to be great sellers. In the holidays, toys are usually high sellers because everybody's trying to buy toys for children. So just figure out the time of the year. Back to school. Right now I'm filming this video in August. Back to school products are something that's huge. Dorms. What do kids need for the dorms, right? So figure out the time of the year and start listing items and try to see, okay, how much should I list this for? You want to give yourself a product, so add about $15 cushion, right? I'm not going to go into the detail of how much it costs and all of that. I'll do another video for that. If you guys are interested, drop it in the comments and I will absolutely go over the how much should you list it for, right? So that's the third way, guys. Just start researching depending on the time of the year and list those items. Now, can't you see why this is my favorite way of making money online? Guys, listen, for me, this is super simple. The thing about it is product research is time consuming. However, it is, for me, in my personal opinion, it is much easier for me to just product research, list some items, and wake up the next day to notifications like this one that make me so happy, because all I have to do now is go on a website and go ahead and put the person's information, and that company is going to go ahead and fulfill the product for me and ship it out to them. Now, if you're thinking, okay, Eliza, I understand, but I need a little bit more. I don't really understand what you mean. Can you just break it down for me a little bit more? Can you help me out in figuring out, okay, so where do I get these products from exactly? What do I have to write? How do I list them? I got you. I created a free ebook that's going to help anybody out there. It is beginner friendly, step by step, how to do product research, where to get your products from, and how to list them. This is going to help you for anybody who is serious about getting started with eBay dropshipping and you're just feeling like, okay, this sounds good, but I need a little bit of help. This is the ebook for you guys. I'm dropping that right in the description. Pick it up. It is completely free. I want to help other people who are at home like me. You work a regular job and you just need some extra income, guys. Go ahead and pick up that ebook. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.